If you're looking for help and how-tos for video marketing, you have come to the right channel. In fact, I'm going to give you my 7 quick tips for making video simple. Hi, it's Lou Bortone, the online video guy, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I have been creating videos since the start of YouTube in 2005, and I post tons of video tips and tricks and shortcuts on this channel, so be sure to subscribe to get more tips and tricks on video marketing. And now, 7 quick tips for doing video consistently and making video simple. Number 1, commit to a schedule and commit to posting or uploading a new video at least once a week. Number 2, create a video editorial calendar so that you know what videos you're going to post when. It's just like creating a blog calendar or a social media editorial calendar. You can create a video editorial calendar. Number 3, go live to Facebook or YouTube. Facebook Live is arguably the easiest way to do video online. It is the quickest way to get started and the low-hanging fruit of online video. So check out Facebook Live or YouTube Live. Number 4, did you know that you could pre-schedule your videos on YouTube? That's right, when you upload a video to YouTube, you can actually schedule it to post anytime you want. So you can create the video ahead of time and then schedule it to go out whenever you want it to post. Number 5, and this is a biggie, batch record your videos. Do several videos at once. Once you've got your lights set up and everything ready to go, do several videos at the same time, and then you can drip them out once a week or so. Number 6, get an accountability buddy and keep each other accountable for doing video consistently. Remember, try for once a week. And number 7, post your videos at the same time every week to set up appointment viewing. Remember in the old days when TV shows were on, you tune in at a certain time every week to see a show? That's appointment viewing, and you can do the same thing on YouTube. Now, I post videos here at least once a week. I share tips and tricks and reviews and all kinds of cool stuff. So be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos and watch the next video right here. We'll see you soon. Thanks.